Everyone thinks the best-selling mini PCs for Proxmox are automatically the best option. But is that really true? If you take a closer look, the differences in performance and value can be surprising.
Product number 1, GMK Tech G3 Pro Mini PC. The GMK Tech G3 Pro Mini PC caught my eye with its powerful Intel Core i3-10110U processor and a price tag of $319.99. It's designed for those who need a reliable machine for multitasking and light productivity. If you want solid performance for your Proxmox experience, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Intel Core i3-10110U runs at a peak speed of 4.1 GHz and boasts hyper-threading technology, which means it can handle multiple tasks at once without lag. With 16 GB of DDR4 RAM at a 512 GB SSD, you'll experience quick boot-ups and swift file transfers. Plus, its support for dual 4K displays lets you manage your virtual machines effectively by spreading them across screens. With over 500 units sold in the past month and rave reviews for its price-performance ratio, this mini PC fits right into a Proxmox setup. Now, some people complained about the integrated graphics not being powerful enough for heavy graphics tasks. Here's the thing though, if you're running a home server or light office applications, this limitation isn't a deal breaker. It's designed for efficiency, not gaming. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an entry-level mini PC that can handle office tasks and serve as a Proxmox host. Skip this one if you need heavy graphics processing or gaming capabilities. For $319.99, it's a pretty solid investment. Now, if the G3 Pro's integrated graphics concerned you, the next one on my list might be even better for your needs.
Product number 2, GMK Tech Mini PC G3 Pro. Another GMK Tech Mini PC, the G3 Pro, also featuring the Intel Core i3-10110U, priced the same at $319.99. If you're looking for a compact machine that can multitask with ease and serve well in a Proxmox environment, this one is worth considering. What sets this apart is its dual-channel 16 GB RAM and similar SSD configuration. It supports up to 2 4K displays, allowing for efficient management of multiple virtual machines. The 2.5 gigabit Ethernet is a significant feature, offering faster network speeds for data-intensive applications, making your Proxmox setup smoother and more efficient. Many users appreciate its quick boot time and responsiveness, which are crucial for virtualization tasks. However, some users mention the fan noise can be a bit distracting during heavy workloads. I'll be real with you, if you're sensitive to noise, this might be an annoyance when the load increases. However, if you're primarily using it for server tasks, this shouldn't be a huge deal. This is perfect for you if you want a powerful, compact PC that can handle Proxmox without breaking the bank. Skip this if you need a silent operation for a home theater setup. At $319.99, it's a good value for the performance. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list takes a completely different approach.
Product number 3, GMK Tech Gaming Mini PC. The GMK Tech Gaming Mini PC, powered by the AMD Ryzen 5 7640HS, priced at $409.99. This one's aimed at users looking for more power while still retaining a compact form factor. If you want a mini PC that can handle both server tasks and light gaming, this one should be on your radar. The Ryzen 5 processor offers impressive performance with its 6 cores and a turbo boost of up to 5.0 GHz. This means you can run Proxmox alongside other demanding applications without skipping a beat. With 16 GB of DDR5 RAM and a 512 GB SSD, this mini PC is set for speed and efficiency. The support for triple 4K displays is an added bonus, making it ideal for multitasking and managing multiple VMs. Now, some buyers reported issues with initial setup and compatibility with certain software. Here's the thing, while that can be frustrating, it's not uncommon with more powerful setups. Once configured properly, it runs beautifully. This is perfect for you if you want a mini PC that can do it all without taking up much space. Skip this if you need a plug-and-play machine without any setup hassles. For $409.99, it offers a lot of value for its performance. Now, if you're concerned about the price tag, the next option might provide a more budget-friendly alternative.
Product number 4, GM Tech Mini PC N95. The GM Tech Mini PC N95 is another budget-friendly choice, priced at $249.99. It's great for users who need a reliable entry point into virtualization with Proxmox without spending a fortune. If you want something that's compact and cost-effective, this one is definitely worth a look. Powered by the Intel N95 processor, this PC features 8 GB of RAM and a 256 GB SSD. While it's not the fastest in this lineup, the performance is more than adequate for light tasks and virtualization. Dual 4K display support is a huge plus, allowing you to work efficiently with your virtual machines displayed side by side. It also supports Wi-Fi 5 and Gigabit Ethernet, ensuring you won't be bottlenecked by your network. However, some users pointed out that the N95 struggles with heavier applications and multitasking. Here's the thing though, if you're simply managing a few lightweight VMs, this is a solid performer and will get the job done. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable mini PC that can handle basic Proxmox tasks. Skip this if you plan to run more demanding applications or need high performance. At $249.99, it's a great entry-level option. Now, if you're looking for something with a bit more power, the final product might just be what you need.
Product number 5, GMK Tech Mini PC Ryzen 5 3500U. We have the GMK Tech Mini PC Ryzen 5 3500U, priced at $339.99. This one is perfect for anyone looking for a balance of performance and price while running Proxmox. If you want robust multitasking and strong performance in a compact design, this might be your best option. Equipped with a Ryzen 5 3500U processor, this mini PC has 16 GB of RAM and a spacious 1 TB SSD, allowing you to run multiple virtual machines with ease. The ability to connect 3 displays at once is fantastic for those needing extensive screen real estate for their Proxmox tasks. The 2.5 GB Ethernet ensures that you're not waiting on slow network speeds while managing your servers. That said, some users have mentioned that the fan can get noisy under heavy loads. I get it, noise can be a concern if it's in a quiet environment, but for the performance it delivers, this is a minor trade-off. This is perfect for you if you want a strong performer for Proxmox without going over budget. Skip this if you're looking for absolute silence during operation. At $339.99, it offers an excellent blend of performance and value.
We explored 5 excellent mini PCs for Proxmox. The GMK Tech G3 Pro and G3 offer great entry-level performance, while the gaming mini PC provides more power for multitasking and light gaming. The N95 is a budget-friendly option for basic tasks, and the Ryzen 5 3500U strikes a balance between performance and price. Each has its strengths, so choose based on what fits your needs best.